Welcome back. This is Ernie. He is part of the nonprofit organization Midwest Conservation Dogs. We know dogs use their noses to sniff lots of things.
Lots of things.
But these particular canines are trained for more sophisticated projects.
That is right. Ernie is here with us in studio. He's live here today along with Laura Holder and Tracie Schweder. And it's so nice to have you guys here. Welcome to the blend, you guys.
Thank you for having us.
Baby,
We love Ernie. Tell us a little bit about him and what his job is.
Sure. So Ernie is one of the trained detection dogs for Midwest Conservation Dogs. And our group trains and deploys scent detection canines and handlers for conservation and research-based efforts. And we partner with researchers, scientists,
Oh, we'll hop up for him.
universities, conservation groups, and the like, both in the private and public sectors.
Okay.
The projects include anything from teaching Ernie to sniff out invasive plants, to teeny tiny insects, and even invisible bacterium that we can't see at all.
Wow.
So it's absolutely, fantastic and amazing.
Well, I knew in New York they had a thing with bed bugs, and they were using bed bug dogs to detect bed bugs in your apartment. So I mean, they have an amazing ability to detect things.
Yeah, and they can locate these odors in a matter of seconds sometimes. That would take us minutes, if not hours, you know. So it makes them an incredibly efficient tool for a variety of
Well, one of the things Andrew said earlier was that, you know, dogs smell on the inhale and the exhale. That's something I'd never heard before. So is there a reason, you know, that dogs have this ability? Is this really kind of like part of their purpose? You know, when you think about what their
purpose?
Well,
if I was speaking on behalf of Ernie, which I do a lot.
I hope you are, actually. You know?
I
He's not doing it right now.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
Yeah. Every dog can sniff, right? Everybody that has a dog that's watching today, or even you guys that have dogs, know that they are born to sniff. You're gonna be.
Andrew has a lab, so he's he's getting a little home feel.
Good job.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it is. It's really fun work. It's great to help the planet, you know, by using his natural gift.
Right, and there's no downside to it. He gets his brain fires in a beautiful way, and the environment is helped by his detection. I love the idea of using dogs to do things that we have either discovered that we can't do it, or we have to develop a machine or a chemical or something like that. They're perfect.
Yeah.
Aren't you perfect?
Yeah.
He's like, I am pretty perfect.
Can the general public learn about the dogs and find out more about what you do? How do we help this whole mission?
Wonderful question. We love making new friends. So there are two really great ways to connect with our organization. The first one being through our education program. So we do on-site presentations and demonstrations at schools and various locations to engage people and encourage them to learn more about field science, scientific research, and so much more as we dive into scent detection and conservation. People can also connect with us at events.
What is he being trained to sniff out? You know, you said, you know, there's so many different things that they can learn. How about Ernie? Because he's young, he's 2. What is he being taught to find or to help with?
Yeah, one of our most recent projects included the invasive gypsy moth. So, he was trained to detect the egg masses to help monitor the population to prevent further spreading. So that,
Right, exactly. I hate the gypsy moth.
It's really upset when you mention that.
Oh, let's
I hate gypsy moth. That's how you do it.
Yeah, it is.
Really
You just
strong.
get 'em all.
You just build a lot of hate into a yellow lab, and then you let him off into the world.
He doesn't seem to mind at all.
Well, if you stop feeding him,
does he
you're
have
actually feeding him gypsy moths as we go through, just to get that bloodlust going.
Oh my goodness.
What do they do? Why are they so bad? Why do we not like gypsy moths?
Yeah, they can destroy trees, you know, and some of our beloved like hardwood forests and stuff are being destroyed.
Can you teach
because
them
of
to detect ash borer? Because that's
Yes, you
ruining
can.
everything.
Yeah.
That's
Yes, you
just
can.
blowing through the Midwest.
Absolutely. Anything that has an odor, the dogs can be trained to locate.
Oh, stay away. Stay away
Well,
from
what
me.
do they do when they find it? Do they destroy it? Do they just bring you to it?
So our group trains a passive alert. So what he does, he'll locate it, and then he usually just freezes right where it is. And he might. He usually doesn't bark when he finds stuff.
Yeah, this is what he does.
He'll freeze and then look back to me, and then I'll at that point step in, verify that he's found what we're looking for, and then he gets his reward. Which for him is anything that I have in this pouch.
If you can't smell it, if you can't smell it, and he could just go up to someone and like, yeah, there's some right here, and you feed him. So basically, you don't know.
Yeah.
He's
You
such
probably
a
do a little testing, I hope.
It's such a beautiful thing that you're doing with him,
Yeah.
and,
Thank you.
and you know, allowing this natural solution to modern problems. You
How
know.
many dogs do you guys have?
Currently, we have 2
Okay.
in our organization. We're going to be growing soon. So, yeah, we're kind of tiny but mighty.
And to learn more about all the great work that Ernie and his friends are doing, visit them online at MidwestConservationDogs.com. Thank you. We love that you came here, and we love you, Ernie. Nice job.